country people, you don't still bust again. No, not be small thing, no, not be small matter. On I know the story now. Apostle Kassy Chukwu don't come out again with another topic. My country people, before I go straight to the point of this matter, my first greet on good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you like this video, you want to subscribe, free and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my country people, not be small matter. AKA the lion killer, AKA Akarawa, aka the old firewood. Apostle Kassy vs Maureen Badejo. My country people, this video, when you do so, this one lado, not be small thing, no, laugh won't finish me. My country people, hey, one kind comment when they receive from some of my fans when they talk, say why they post this man of God, why they post and say Apostle Kassy not be man of God. For my own, I know they judge any man of God. I know they judge anybody. I know they judge anybody at all. No one is perfect for this life. Nobody will never sin for this life. They come they talk, say why they behave like this, you know. Not be the one when they talk, it won't come out. Now it was past so. That one when not they talk, they come out. Maybe now that one I was past. Maybe not they judge. For me, or not be say they cite Apostle Kassy or that anybody. I know they cite anybody. Not be the person when do come out. Now it was past. Okay, my country people, my live on a more for watch this.
Now I am here to do a video to expose Maureen Badejo. I want to expose her lie and the real person she is. She's not who you see online. Now, I don't care what you say about me because I'm coming with full force. Now, Maureen has been insulting my spiritual father for the past 5 months. Maureen has insulted the wife. He has insulted the children. He has posted the picture. He has mocked Apostle Suleman's wife for lusting the sister. Some of you will remember a few weeks ago, I came out to make a warning, to issue a warning against Muareen Badejo. Told her to please mind her own business. To stop trying to rob me with the Ruth and whatsoever saga that was playing. But she went ahead and even accused that it was Apostle Johnson Suleman that he brought Ruth in using to blackmail Prophet Jeremiah. That is the biggest lie of the century. Apostle John Suleman has never in one day support me to insult Prophet Jeremiah or ask me to do a video against him. He has never in any way asked me, Kassy, look for a way to fight Jeremiah, because I don't know why he would want to do that. So anybody who knows Apostle John Suleman, we know that Maureen Badejo is a big and a full-time liar. Please, if you are watching, I want you to share this broadcast right now. But the day I did a video, one young man called me. You know the line is open, but we'll never want to receive common and wait. One young man called me. He told me he was actually the ex-boyfriend to Maureen Badejo. He said in Ireland, I don't know. But Maureen, I don't know whether you will listen to this voice note. Maybe you still recognize the young man who based in Ireland. Oh, where I saved this thing. Who based in Ireland. No, I don't want to talk. I like evidence. But you know, she's a bit deny matter. This one, no, I don't say no. I don't actually, she can't deny it. So let me bring it. Maureen's ex-boyfriend have something to tell us. Maureen's ex-boyfriend have something to tell us. I tell her, I say Maureen like. Mommy, oh, mommy, somebody enter for mommy, the person push mommy push person. So what am I going to kill him? Maureen! Oh man, not be everything I go play for this audio. The guy describes some kind, you know, okay, Maureen, listen to your ex-boyfriend. He said when you were in Ireland, I don't know what I'm true, because I know say na UK you did, but he said you did Ireland that time. He even mentioned where you for the work. You understand everything where for, you understand me? So alleged boyfriend. Alleged boyfriend is here. Yes, I better set your recording. Alleged, he said that time, though he was maybe he did beg me, man, not talk your matter. You understand? So he said, make a help do, you know, that time they dualize you. Watch.
Hello. My apostle. How you doing? Apostle, well, sir. Yeah, if they call me before, they tell me something. My apostle, the time when I'm Maureen matter, Maureen for Ireland. Now I can tell you about. I can tell you about Maureen. Okay. I said, they don't back out my Maureen is lying. You know, because we know him. You know Maureen? I know him. Really? No Maureen for Ireland. Maureen for Ireland now. For Ireland? Yes, now. Maureen Badejo? Yes, now. Maureen don't pay. What you don't say? Maureen don't stay Ireland though. Maureen don't go for Ireland. Okay. Maureen was working as a cargo officer. Cargo officer? All these like in the lights.
No, wait. He said when he pursued Maureen for cargo office. I be whether a cargo, he was working as cargo officer. He said when he pursued Maureen. Now the lie when Maureen they lie. At the time I say Maureen is the mother of all liars. Maureen Badejo, his ex-boyfriend and they talk so make with the list, you know. Make it the list.
I know Maureen now. We are very close. I know Maureen where. I know I'm where. That's what she like. So I thought to, you know, we don't be passing those kinds of things to most people feel for Maureen. You know what? No, sorry, no vex. You tell me something when you first come that I say, you both of you were very close.
See, no tell me say I pass what I do so. When Maureen they insult my father in the Lord, now not tell her say she passed like that. So except say you dare here, if you dare here they insult your father, you don't go talk. There you go, they talk with you, they talk. But if you will react when somebody is insulting and lying on your father's head and you will react, then let me know. So not just come here and say you big parties. I know big pass anything. I know big pass anything. Go. And I go. Anybody will insult my father in the Lord. No. I go give you back woto. When they tell me, say this and this and that. If you like, call apostle. Before I go say, I don't do it I want to. You know, he will stop me for this one. Because apostle don't say rest, leave Maureen. Don't reply her, forget her. I don't know if she exists. Me, Papa, I know Maureen they exist. I know you know the day social media and I mean the day. So let me reply Maureen woto. I go open call line. Who they call never call, who they call me never call first. And then I wait.
Like una two the mikrimo, like no, feel free. I record you. Feel free. Like you know, the way your husband and wife they do. Apostle, that one up there.
We will never put call line. Oh God. Maureen. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Panel TV.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome.
My name is Janet. I'm a Nigerian.
Okay.
I'm living in I'm in Beirut. Yes. So my contribution to this program, their saga, Maureen, Bisola, I think they are envy of you. What I think so is because you are a man of truth. You are saying the truth. They don't like. Really, they are out for cash out. The way I'm watching them, they just leave the issue of looking for the testimony for the baby. They are just facing another thing. Pastor Suleman, Pastor Kassy. I don't think that is the reason they are doing all those programs. They are out for cash out. So my advice for you should not ignore them. Don't mind them. You pass them. So don't even like get back. You want.
Okay, thank you. Okay, another call is coming in. Welcome to Penet TV. Okay, I think we lost that. Hello, can you hear me? Go ahead, I'm hearing you.
That is my own contribution. Yes, just ignore that woman. She's envious of you. Just ignore her. She don't believe like she don't behave like she's a mother. I don't think she's a mother. What people are looking for is the baby to come out. Anywhere the baby wants to come out, let the baby come out, whether by the father or anybody that baby will come out, like you said earlier, like one of your video I watched, you say even anywhere that the baby will come out, that is just what we want. All this saga, they just want your attention. Maybe the woman like you. That Maureen, I don't know what is her problem. So my advice, you should just ignore her. Just forget about her. If she say anything, just respect yourself. Since she cannot respect herself, you just respect yourself. So that is just my
okay, thank you.
advice.
Thank you. Yeah. My brother, will you hear the talk? Maureen cannot date such an educated or uneducated boy. Man, tell you, if you know educate, under years educate to so relax. As we are hearing, I the young beg, but make I finish this. You understand? He said that time with okay, listen. Oh, they're not gonna let me play this boyfriend call because the guy talk many things. He said Moreno will be Dinara now. Hello, welcome to Penel TV. No flash me. All this way they flash. I know I hear flashing. Now call. This is a war against Maureen. Since Maureen they tell the whole world say she be angel. So me as the lion killer, don't go dig out some guy. I don't like you. Maureen Badejo like you, lion killer. She just don't know how to. God forbid. You want me she suffocates me? I you say Maureen like me. You want me she suffocate me? You know they see her face. You know they see her face. With a incubator. With a incubator. I never listen to something. That's the way they tell me, say, blind man cry. Blind man vomit. I go do.
You don't repent now. You know they follow and do those things again.
Oh, one of they tell me now, say Maureen like me. Now I use that to distract me now. Now I never see anybody to rob me with.
That one now before Apostle. If bless say the woman good well, bless it shall be. Apostle, go give that.
Oh, Mona, wait now. Oh. Hello, welcome to Penet TV. Good morning.
Yes, sir. My name is James.
Okay.
I'm calling from Abuja.
Okay.
I've been following up your broadcast on the Maureen issue and our father in the Lord, Apostle Suleman. And I want to tell you that Maureen is a scammer looking for cheap recognition. As I speak with you now, she has sent some of her delegates to be commenting on your wall.
4. Okay.
Yes, she has sent some of her delegates to be commenting on your wall to make whatever you are doing to be very watery. But Apostle Kassy, I want to say, continue what you are doing because God is with you. And you are a man standing for the truth. And by the grace of God, I know that truth will prevail.
Amen.
And we are rightly behind you. You cannot just come and fight a great man of God like Apostle Suleman. I was even thinking this Maureen is a saint. Maureen said this one is bad, this one is bad. So it's only Maureen that is good. Maureen that cannot sit down in one place or sit down in one marriage. I have evidences to prove it. Maybe as the program is going on, I'll begin to bring pictorial evidences and all the rest. To tell you that Maureen cannot sit down in one marriage, she's going up and down flirting and she's calling all sorts of men of God up bad names. So Maureen is a scam. She's just looking for recognition. So I want to say God is with you. God bless you, Apostle Kassy, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Una see I say no be only me know Maureen. Maureen, now know how many audio message I get from Maureen. I don't even know, so that I push one play so I think they come wait man play this one because what it make me like this thing. Because I know what I talked last time. More listen to the boy finish.
No, I'm not doing live video again. No, I don't come up on live video. I just want to talk.
When they talk, say Maureen supposed to know her. I see they talk so now make me let her know say because then I know the live video. Now they understand so now the discussion continue. Listen.
No. One job put down. So you know when we reach like that. I also say you know they talk this thing because they may not be like say maybe you get personal beef with and I make you come and talk this. No. Because I hate you. No, not because I get personal beef. I'm only not getting into just because I don't know character. You know, I don't want to follow you on Facebook. I don't follow you. I don't know your character. I don't know where to be. So I believe since you want to do that same character. So I just think everybody is the lie. Everybody know what you want for right now. What you want for the lie.
Una dey hear? Waiting pursue Maureen for Island. Maureen, come answer this question. I want to waiting pursue you for Island, Maureen. I want to know waiting pursue you for Island, Maureen.
Hello, am I live to Penel?
Yeah, this Penel TV.
I'm calling from Australia. I just wanted to talk about this Maureen issue, Maureen, Suleman, and Jesus. So can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Okay, you see this Maureen, God bless that woman because you are a fly killer. Ordinary mosquito, you know, be killed.
Okay.
You man, your papa invoice there outside.
Now Maureen they talk. Now Maureen they talk. Now Maureen they talk so.
Fly killer.
Yeah, we are hearing you, man.
To fight Jeremiah. Jeremiah from flog you to go to that.
Yeah, we are hearing you, man. Go ahead. The boy say, na Island. What did pursue you for Island, Maureen?
You arrange letter. You know what? You don't arrange holiday.
Maureen, do you know that boy that was talking just now? The boy saying, he don't chop you.
And it is out there. Maureen X. Do a person like you. Try harder. Continue to try. Continue to try. You know they work. Try harder. You know they work. If you sabi Maureen boss, you will not be Maureen.
Go ahead, go ahead. We know the cut call here. This day, we know the cut call. We they take her like that. We know the cut call.
The one rush you through there that day, they cried.
Mm.
They will flog that your
No be smart. They almost flogged me. They almost beat me there. Mm.
Suleman,
oh yeah.
Why you never put you for toilet? Come big Maureen for Maureen wins the man for God, and this Maureen no wins the man. If you are told yourself, Apostle blogger, you say you are
Apostle blogger. I beg, that boy just now where you do it last. Where now for the door now? Where your children they now for the make love? I've been outside.
Make me see. Even me want the evidence. I cannot be Maureen. So say you know Maureen.
Yes.
You know that you are.
Okay, you be Maureen PA. Okay, sorry, no verse.
Bloody liar from the pit of hell.
Okay, you be bloody liar from the pit of hell. Okay, I don't know. Okay.
You do not have the spirit of God.
Yes. Maureen no get spirit of God.
Some idiots that I call you pastor.
They call Maureen pastor. You don't. Maureen are illiterate.
You're gonna get the power of God. You're gonna get the spirit of God.
Yes. Yes. They no fit catch Maureen, but we don't catch her now. Yeah, we don't catch Maureen. Oh, Maureen now Olodo. Really? Really? Maureen father too. You mean say wait, sorry. You mean say Maureen they sleep with the papa? Now wow. Wait till I just hear now, it shocked me. So you mean say Maureen they sleep with the papa? Mo dance put for Madam, wait, Mo dance put. I'll call you back. Wait, Mo dance put. That was sweet too. Alleged. He said Maureen they sleep with his father. Ayeramo. Alleged. When I hear about Maureen PA say Maureen they even sleep with his father. Jesus. That guy don't wait that woman spoil. Oh, he don't that place now that Maureen under 9 be really akara. No man just play that boy on the thing long well. The guy tell me many things, so the thing long it long well. Okay.
No, they're not going to be there. You know what to preach not? What you know what to be able to do before? I couldn't tell you about.
So you mean that time for Island now you they go they service the engine?
But
no, that's area I mean like fast. Maurice, Maurice, see a small pikin, no. Small pikin. You enter Island. Okay, Maurice, what is driving for Island? This your ex-boyfriend. No, the audio self. Even I no play finish. The guy talk say no be even him. Maurice, no be only him. Maurice they date. Say they even many. He get like 3. Like say Maureen, you know all those women where be say they hardly satisfied with. I don't know whether you understand. So hardly satisfied with. I guess speaker now. See speaker. See speaker now. This speaker they use. I see get another one for backup there. Backup. You understand? He said, Maureen, hey, he said, Maureen no do a day. Now be 34. Say Maureen use He come tell me about Helevu. Now, he tell me say Maureen get mark under her breast. You know, let me tell Maureen say make it bring her breast. You know, let me. I get some picture between you and Maureen. Maureen too small. Oh no. I know say I'm not gonna like me. I know say I'm gonna hate me for what I did too. Yes. You see, this life, many boys notice saying a Superman. Me, I'm not too holy. Now they hear me. I'm not too holy, but Maureen, now incarnate. Maureen, if you not see matter, do you know that Maureen belong to Ogboni Comfy? I pray may that person call me today, make una listen. Hello, welcome to Penel TV.
The great Apostle Kassy International.
I greet you, sir.
I greet you, Papa.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we are really enjoying your program here. I'm calling from Netherlands.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
we
you.
love what you are doing, and I just want to encourage you that you should keep it up, keep firing there, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you.
I just want to say that is what I have to say, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, sir.
Maureen, who's boy rich Maureen no did this life? Today now, Maureen go call one it's make pretend like say now Prophet Jeremiah send a God saying one kidnap me. I know I play that audio for security reason. In fact, I have for him to know what the happen with the person phone number. When Maureen, the person make una way to a bless I go even type the number for Facebook. Gather your pen, write down. Person when Maureen give my contact, the person say he go kidnap me, he go do this, he go do that. Even though you don't believe, now what happen? If you say I place more for you, I place more for you. If you say I place more for you, know me take believe me. See the also.
Yeah, boy, Kassy. Apostle Kassy of yeah, boy. Try to draw for Prophet Jeremiah. Give me draw bad word for Prophet Jeremiah again. You'll see where to go up to you. I give you some days and don't worry. Okay? You'll see go putting go up to you. Put that fire your ministry.
I not throw bad word give Prophet Jeremiah. I never insult Jeremiah once. Now this one not the one we even say, not the one when I record all the talk, not the one when I record.
This is Emmanuel calling. Yes, please, I just want to ask you a question. Sure, you are a man of God. There's some things I'm hearing, like the way you are talking. I don't really like it because.
Do you want me to answer your question or you are sure of your question?
No, what I just want to contribute. You understand, so?
No, you ask a question if I'm a man of God.
Yes, are you a man of God?
No, I'm not a man of God. No, I'm a boy of God.
Okay, you're a boy of God.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? As a pastor or bishop.
I'm not a bishop, sorry. You are calling wrong number. This is not bishop. I'm not a bishop. He's calling wrong number. Maureen Bandit is a woman. I've never seen a woman that is that loose, full of lies. She's a traitor. Okay, I tell you for that. Ain't nothing. Pastor, now me tell Maureen may go to date small children. Now me tell Maureen they go they carry may leave a old woman. Maureen wait there in husband house. He dey husband house. He get belle for your husband house. Maureen get belle for your husband house. So he born first speaking for the man. One pastor make I tell now why Maureen dey vex with pastor. Today I want to tell you people why Maureen is angry with pastors. One pastor come meet Maureen. He come tell Maureen say, he love her more. Maureen come dey go there for prayer meeting. You know say well. You understand? It's not that a big breast. I just hear say if you just press her like this, she'll just fall for ground like this. if you yes.
I beg, I want Chukwu for the matter.
Okay.
Okay. Concerning the issue of Maureen, you know, I believe you are a Christian, and Maureen on his own side, Maureen don't do anything what we say supposed to. Because she don't claim say she's a Christian. And this whole Christianity of a thing has been bastardized by so many people. In fact, sometimes it better make we know God by ourselves. Everybody is trying to defend God, trying to defend Christianity, trying to fight pastor, trying to do this and all of that. Maureen, for my own, I'm not in a position to see whether she's a Christian or not. Because so many times the people we look at, unbelievers, are the people who are truly sincere with God. Maureen, on her own side, I would just say based on the things I know, Maureen have done wrong because picking up issues of men of God and deliberating of them. I'm sorry to say this, our generation is turning to another thing. And you as well as a minister of God, there is something I want you to do. I know that you are bringing up these things so that we can discuss or know the things that are happening, but it's very important as well.
No, this one is listen, sir. This one is operation exposing Maureen, not before discussion. No, I don't discuss anybody. I don't already know who I'm talking about. Welcome to Penel TV.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning, Apostle.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay.
Yes, I did call this morning to appreciate you for all your good work. That's number one. Then number two, I like seeing the fighter where not give up. And I don't follow you. I don't try to understand everything. At first, I don't really understand you, but right now they get to understand you, and you don't pretend. I like the way they move everything because. And they have to go for conversation. So you be pastor, you be this, you be that. If you be pastor, that's what make you say you be momo now. So I like your swag and I like everything. I want you to keep the good work and I like you to fight for your papa. Now so your sons too will fight for you too.
It's amen.
Apostle do this one, apostle don't do that one, apostle just do that one, apostle just not do that one. That's why your business you believe in his place, you fight for him. Now so people believe in you, people will fight for you. For Maureen, now frustration, you understand? Somebody that is frustrated, and if you know they enjoy these things like you're supposed to enjoy, like which you enjoy before, you know they enjoy like that again, then there's bound to be frustration. In the friends, you go just keep on this good work, and God there will see you through. You never thought Prophet Jeremiah before. So you know, I just side distraction. I like your swag, and you'll be really nice. You are the lion killer. I celebrate you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you. I don't know the one way doing a question inside. Which one be? Are you a man of God or I tell you say I'm a pastor your church or maybe you open church for me. So relax yourself. Let me deal with Maureen. My people, the reason why Maureen. Okay.
Man of God.
Yes.
I celebrate your grace, sir.
Thank you.
I was, I've never called before. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
My name is Abraham. When you set your comment, I'm part of those that are always commenting. Yes, sir. Sir, man of God, you need to deal with this lady. You need to expose everything about her. And all those people, when they call, say, are you a man of God? Why will you talk? They should keep quiet in their mouth. They should shut up.
Yes.
Man of God, go on. In fact, I want to attack anybody who will comment any rubbish for that comment section.
Thank you.
Them.
Thank you.
Go on, sir.
Thank you. I'm behind you. Anybody that commits rubbish, we will beat the person on Facebook. If we see her for the go beat her. Maureen go insult my father and the Lord, Apostle Dr Suleman. You say I not talk.
So they shook hands for our eyes.
We'll keep quiet.
Because we men of God. Sorry for them. I'm going to fire on.
Thank you.
Fire on.
Hello, welcome to Penet TV.
Yes, hello, man of God.
I greet you. Who is this? Well done. Hello, go ahead. I'm hearing you.
Yeah, God bless you, sir.
Oh.
You are speaking with Sister Funke.
Okay, Sister Funke. Okay.
Yes. I just watching you now as I'm talking to you. I'm watching you live on Facebook. The essence of Maureen's matter. I want you to, Maureen has too many kind of attitude that is discouraging. Are you hearing me, sir?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
So I want you to try your possibility that you overlook everything that concerns money, because during that time, during the saga of talking about Apostle Johnson,
okay,
part of the people that supported her with some money.
Oh, you were among the people who supported Maureen with money.
Who supported her with some money, thinking that she was doing the right thing.
Right thing. Oh, now you okay? Mona the year. This is Maureen Collar among the people who were supporting Maureen with money. I'm hearing you, madam.
My husband was supporting her, and I myself we said total money we sent to her so far was to convert it to Nigeria currency to be up to 2 million naira.
2 million! Maureen, no wonder this money they leave Facebook. You don't mean it.
Glory to God. We thank God that I really thank God that what our plan didn't come to pass, because she was having it in mind to collect my husband from me.
Oh, madam, repeat that place again. Repeat that place.
She was planning to collect my husband from me.
Last 10 years, I've been recently.
Recently, yeah, during that when she was speaking against Papa Apostle Johnson.
Yes.
Suleman.
And you were among the supporter.
Yes, we were part of the people that were supporting this thing. But along the line, we now later discovered that everything about her is fake.
Fake. Wait, I beg, madam. You tell no say you want to collect your husband.
What really happened was that she said she wants to meet with me one-on-one, and I was not around at the particular time. I was not chance, and my husband now went to go and see her. And from there now, she was now trying to ring.
Maureen alleged a man. Okay. Your husband, no, you know, quick your husband take 1 month.
You know, my husband to bed, and I thank God that my husband did not see. According to my husband, though, you know, men are not trusted.
Madam, thank you. Madam, is this your number? I would like to call you later.
Okay.
I'll call you later. I want to hospital. I'm Maureen, what is your husband? You know, say as Maureen wickedly. Alleged. Welcome to Penet TV.
Thank you very much, my brother. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well, I appreciate you a lot for what you are saying, but please, I want to ask you a question.
I'm listening, sir.
Am I free to answer the question?
Okay, go ahead, ask now. You are free.
Bros, which are for this issue you need to better rest your case. It's just like you need to fool yourself. Just rest your case for all this matter when they talk.
Now be the question when you want to ask me.
Yes.
But that will not be question, and you say you want to contribute. I will let you contribute. That will not be question. Maureen, they talk to your caller when they know what to say. Hello, welcome to Penet TV.
You
afternoon.
You are welcome.
I'm Joy. I'm calling from Bonny Island.
Okay.
Hey, do you know what just sweet me just now? The spirit of designing that you have. That call with the sense of Jeremiah, the way you take designer, it sweets me. You understand?
Yes.
Because they go do something where we say, of course, this person do this, right? The person they on your own.
Yes.
You don't understand me? So that is sweet. That spirit of design the way God gives you just now sweets me.
Right.
For you to design that.
The person coming now, he say in a prophet Jeremiah song, he want him go kidnap me between now and a few days. That's why I say, okay, you where they say you be Christian, so you be kidnapper. That's when they go sleep.
But you, as a man of God, you design them very fast.
Yes, the one use that they put, you know, madam, you know what they do, eh? Where do they come in like that? Me go come they say, oh, Jeremiah, they plan to kidnap me. Jeremiah, and Jeremiah don't know them, oh. He don't know them, he don't connect with them.
See, me, I'm not the side of anybody, I'm not the side of anybody, but just that, this life, that designing all of us need. You understand? That spirit of designing, as you quick design and get the future, this thing is not from this man. Just what they want to divert my attention. You understand?
Yes.
They wanted to divert your attention from to Jeremiah, but I thank God say you get the spirit of designing and you design everything. That is my only contribution.
Thank you. Maureen allegedly or alleged sleeping. No, Maureen alleged rape. I remember the name of that woman we called just now. Not like me type man. Alleged Maureen almost raped her to super. They give her money, they support her, may fight Apostle Dr. The woman say almost 2 million if they convert her to Nigeria. Maureen, when the followers unfollow Maureen. Listen, Maureen ran away with Ogboni staff. Maureen, a rightful information. Maureen was once an Ogboni. There is a woman that is a spiritualist that is working for Maureen. It's the spiritualist. Oh, you know, say I don't want to talk some kind of things. It could be like say people they give me information. I want to cast the thing. If I know who be Maureen, my phone don't fool. My phone don't fool. Make I show now one. Make I listen to this one I play. I know say this one. No, but I say I will play this audio. Make I use a taste sweet gram. Not gonna listen to this. Hello, you are live on Penet TV.
The lion killer.
I am here.
The lion killer.
Oh, you don't call me lion killer. Lion killer. You know just oh, somebody call me lion killer. I don't know what you call. Sorry, network interrupted. Start again.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. I say, well done for your work. Well done. I'm Joy from Germany. You know me very well.
Okay. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Maureen. Nobody don't know Maureen.
Good afternoon, the lion killer.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm calling from Abuja.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm one of your fans, one of your followers. I appreciate what you are doing. Hello.
Yes, I'm hearing you, sir. We are hearing you.
Yeah, I appreciate what you are doing. You know, and we are following you. You know what you are doing. And if you can see at least 5 people in this country that is doing it, I think things will change in this country. And I pray God will give you more grace to do what you are doing.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Maureen, una yara mo no be me talk mo. Accusing me, me scandalize you. Maureen, I don't know say Maureen spoil like this, so cucumber go food that woman hasha because now we get one way say coming that time saying leave am because say Maureen this thing under the snare. Say even this say Sometimes Maureen, you go to beg Maureen, see me Maureen, bath. Maureen they like to be bath. So once in a while. Okay, call him. I'm a born I don't know. Hello, welcome to Penet TV.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I greet you.
Go ahead, you are listening.
Please, I just want to contribute.
Okay.
But you know, these things you are bringing, they are alleged. I'm not saying Maureen is perfect or everybody is perfect. But what I just want to, aside the audio, if there's or something like the lady come there, she said she assisted with some kind of money. She could have sent you for her paying money into Maureen's account. Anybody can go and call on her.
The one when I first said Maureen no deny and say no, why no too. If I finish, I go find the person number, call am. Is that okay?
And you too much. You don't give me your time for your pastoral work. The way you handle your things and other things, you are excellent in my eyes.
Thank you.
And if it's that job.
Hello, welcome to Penel TV.
Hello.
Welcome to Penel TV.
Pardon.
Pardon. Off wegbe. Egege like akurada kulo ni we ya mo. Opoli mo enwelele. Oga gebo ti ege egbe. Oga gegbe ege ti. Iya ga we ni ya trace re o se le ya gbe.
Pardon.
Off wegbe.
I be your Benin sister. Or to no kwe wahin. I call and all those color. May they beware your. I want beg all those color. A pan and my brother, and my blood brother. If you now want me by the tight, no, we don't really. Mona Carona Piki come at all. Mona Carona Piki, Mona Carona brother come at all. Don't be so like I can't know a writer, apostle writer, a pan now God sent. Mona no go there for a body now. If so, the go now go ahead on the head now. God to the use of the laugh of tomorrow. I don't need all those words now.
Yes.
If I don't want you enter, go and take the police. I don't need all those people, all those children, because they feel like they well, and humanity.
No, yeah, our thing. What's it?
No, say you are a pack on you on this one, and no good like how.
I know.
I know.
No, me say you go with the call, you pass a day life. As you just cut now, just off your phone first. The hear me say.
Now people they tell you so. All those color when they say if I write or apostle write or this one write, oh na carry na brother come out. I call of now. No one na apostle now.
No, because they are joining you to fight the enemy of my father. But me, we not call a power. I am another caller. She love me. Hello, welcome to Penet TV.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, hi. Good afternoon and morning now. Apostle Kassy.
Yes.
Hello.
I'm hearing you.
I want to contribute into your I want to contribute into your program, but I'll be listening to your program anyway. I want to ask a question. The question is, you said you are an apostle.
I said, or you know, or you want to know.
I know already you are an apostle. Anyway,
okay.
Because that's who you are anyway. You said it already that you are an apostle. So I don't need to. But if you are an apostle, if you have the Spirit of God, like the Spirit of God, will you be behaving the way you're behaving? Is that how to talk? If you have the Spirit of God?
I don't have
an apostle.
I said I don't have the Spirit of God.
You don't have the Spirit of God?
Yes.
You can't be doing that. Listen, sir.
I say I don't have now, so are you encouraging me to have? Can I ask you a question?
Sorry?
Can I ask you a question?
Uh-huh.
If somebody is insulting your mother before your burial, what will you do?
You see, that's a very, very good question. You know, if you have the Spirit of God on you, and the fear of God, like as you said,
go straight. If somebody speak like you are, I can see with your speech you are learned. If somebody insult your spirit, your father and your mother before your presence, or you meet somebody beating your father, what will you do?
I will ask the question, what happened? What did you do first before taking any action?
Any action? Okay, thank you.
I will first of all ask a question. Ask from my mother, not jump into it, start insulting them, or start to fight those people. That's not how to behave, sir.
Okay.
It's not a nice thing. That's not how to be. You need to check yourself.
Okay, sir. It's because I don't have Spirit of God. That's why I don't know. But you have. Do you have the Spirit of God?
If I have the Spirit of God.
Yes.
If I don't have the Spirit of God, I will not call you to speak to you this way.
Okay. Sorry, you know me, I don't have it. You that have it, you that means he can talk to you anytime. We are looking for a child called testimony that got missing in Warri. Can you tell the Spirit of God to tell you where the child is so that we can go and look for the child?
This is not what I'm talking. Listen, I understand everything.
Welcome to Penet TV. I want close.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, please, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you loud and clear.
Yeah, please, I want to contribute. I'm calling from United Kingdom, UK.
Oh, that means you be Maureen people. Welcome. Go ahead.
No. I'm part of that. Please. I'm just calling to contribute my own.
Okay.
Maroon is like it's not united. It's behaving like it's not in Europe, because the matter is, if Maroon is in Europe, is in United Kingdom here, London here, it's Maroon for the consequences of children here. They know that the government is above the law for the children. I don't know why she behaving like a mad woman. It's not have a feeling for a child. We're talking about a child missing. Then Maureen bringing bloggers rubbish in internet, bringing this. He forgot about the child, bringing nonsense in internet. I can't tolerate that. I can't take it. It's rubbish. All the grammars that bring it, I keep him following you long time ago. You see, two of you speaking on this matter. Perfect. You and prophets in South Africa. All the nonsense that are speaking is rubbish. We're talking about a child.
A missing child. She's playing audio.
A child.